welcome to my home. I am so excited to have you here on another episode of the Christiana Alexis Show. I am even more excited that it is the holiday season and I get to share with you an instructional video step by step on how to make a centerpiece using items only from the Dollar Tree. Yes, you heard me correctly. By the end of this video, you're going to be able to put together a centerpiece that looks exquisite and expensive without breaking the bank. Stay tuned. The items that you'll need for this is a glue gun, glue sticks, any plate of your choosing from the Dollar Tree, three candle holders, also from the Dollar Tree, 3 tea tree lights, Dollar Tree again, ornaments of your choosing, along with any decor items that you can find at the Dollar Tree. Once you have these items, you're ready to begin. So to begin, I like to go ahead and rearrange the items onto the plate and how I want to decorate them. Don't worry about it not looking perfect. That's okay, because art is art. I think we're gonna put a red Christmas ball right there, and a red Christmas ball. I think that's enough Christmas balls. And we have these cute acorns. Then we're going to go ahead and put that right about there. Okay. I need to stand to get a different angle. Once it looks like you're happy with it, you are ready to glue. I will recommend gluing down the candlestick holders first. Once you have everything arranged the way you want, you're ready to glue. I recommend starting with your centerpiece to glue down. Once you're happy with how everything's laid out, you can start gluing. It also looks like this glue gun is out of commission. Be right back, we need to go grab another one. Okay, we are back with a working glue gun. As I said earlier, I recommend that we start by gluing what's in the center first. Reason being is because it's the biggest pieces and we can work around it. I recommend gluing the edges like so. And pushing it down firmly. Go ahead and do that to the other two. I am super excited for this. Awesome, we got the first two down. Now we just need to get this one onto there. Awesome. Now that we got the centerpiece down, I want to go ahead and glue our dear old reindeer to there. Now the reindeer has a bit of an odd shape to the back of it, so it can't really necessarily be glued down like that. It can, but it's not going to stick because it's not completely flat. So I am deciding to glue the antlers to the cups or the candle holders in the bottom part. So we're gonna go like this first. That way that way we know exactly where we can glue the antlers. And you only want to put a little bit. A little goes a long way. And you go ahead and just mount it. Don't worry about the strings. Comes with the territory. And they're easy to remove. But yeah, now it's pretty much glued down to the candle holders and to the centerpiece. And then we're gonna go ahead and glue the outside. Go right along the line. The reason why I'm not gluing any of this just yet is because we don't know exactly where they're going to lie. So yay! It turns out we actually don't need to glue any of the outside stems. Perfect. So here's an acorn we're gonna put right there. I meant to say pine cone. I said acorn, but meant pine cone. Boom. And then I think I want, yeah. We're gonna go like that. Then, same thing that we did on the other side, we're going to do to this beautiful greenery. And when you run out, you just go ahead and insert your glue stick. And you just keep on going. Like that. Push it down. Whoop, whoop. This is coming along beautifully. I'm going to put one more green one right there. And just for extra security, boom. Wow. We have this pine cone. We're gonna put it right here. You know what? I think I want to add one more pine cone. I want to add it right about there. Then we take our tea tree lights, plop them in. And you have a beautiful centerpiece. Wow, look how easy, stunning, and fast this was to make. I am so excited to place this on my center table as a centerpiece for my family and friends to enjoy. They'll have a glimpse of Christiane Alexis everywhere they turn. Thank you again for tuning in to the Christiane Alexis Show. I am so excited to have had you here. Happy holidays, and I will catch you next time. Thank you.